Scrum relies on a small set of events and artifacts. Together, they create rhythm and visibility. The sprint is the heartbeat of Scrum. It sets pace and predictability. Around it, 4 events guide planning, progress, review, and improvement. 3 artifacts make work visible and testable. This lecture explains each event and each artifact. It shows how they connect in one loop. You will learn how rhythm supports transparency. You will also learn how transparency supports better decisions. Let us begin with the sprint. The sprint is a fixed time box where work turns into value. Its length is 1 month or less. Teams keep the length consistent to stabilize planning and forecasting. Each sprint has a clear sprint goal, which focuses effort on a shared outcome. Scope can evolve during the sprint as learning emerges. Quality never drops. The sprint ends with a usable increment. This steady cadence is the heartbeat of Scrum, creating a reliable rhythm and enabling continuous inspection and adaptation. Sprint planning starts the sprint with alignment. The product owner presents the most valuable product backlog items. The team discusses purpose, risks, and options. Together, they craft a sprint goal that explains the value to deliver. Developers then select items they believe they can complete. They break them into actionable tasks. The output is the sprint backlog, which includes the sprint goal, selected items, and an initial plan. This plan is flexible and will evolve as the team learns during the sprint. The daily Scrum is a brief daily event for developers. It lasts no more than 15 minutes. The team inspects progress toward the sprint goal. They look at the current plan and recent work. They identify obstacles that slow progress. They adapt the plan for the next day. Conversations are focused and practical. The aim is not status reporting to a manager. The aim is coordination and problem solving by the team. Afterward, they may meet to handle details. The sprint review happens near the sprint end. The team and stakeholders inspect the increment together. They look at what was completed and what changed in the market. They discuss emerging opportunities and user feedback. Demonstrations focus on working product, not slides. The product backlog is updated with new insights. Priorities may shift based on value and evidence. The sprint review builds shared understanding, trust, and direction. It guides what to do next, informed by transparent results and real collaboration. The sprint retrospective closes the sprint with improvement. The team reflects on people, processes, tools, and working agreements. They celebrate what worked well. They examine what held them back. Root causes are explored without blame. The team selects a few actionable improvements. They add them to the next sprint plan. Small frequent changes compound over time. The retrospective protects the team's ability to deliver. It ensures the heartbeat remains healthy by addressing friction, waste, and team dynamics. Artifacts provide transparency and focus across the sprint. Each artifact makes work visible and testable. Key artifacts include product backlog, an ordered list of desired product changes and features maintained by the product owner. Sprint backlog, the sprint goal, selected product backlog items, and a plan for delivering them. Increment, the sum of completed work this sprint and before in a usable state. Clear artifacts reduce confusion. A shared definition of done strengthens transparency. It clarifies when work is truly complete. The cycle starts with sprint planning and the sprint backlog. The daily Scrum keeps the plan aligned with the sprint goal. Work produces an increment, which grows during the sprint. The sprint review inspects the increment with stakeholders. Feedback updates the product backlog and priorities. The retrospective improves the team's approach. The next sprint starts using updated insights and improved practices. Events create rhythm. Artifacts create visibility. Together, they enable continuous learning, predictable delivery, and sustained momentum throughout the product journey. Imagine a team building a booking feature. In sprint planning, they set a sprint goal, enable basic booking. They select search, select dates, and confirm booking items. Daily Scrums reveal a dependency risk. They adjust the plan and pair on the tough part. By review, a working flow is ready. Stakeholders try it and request clearer error messages. The product backlog reflects this insight. In the retrospective, the team improves testing handoffs. Next sprint, they tackle error messaging, backed by a stronger workflow. The sprint sets a dependable cadence, the heartbeat of Scrum. Events guide direction, progress, inspection, and improvement. Artifacts make intent and results transparent. Transparency fuels better choices. Rhythm reduces stress and chaos. Keep sprint length stable. Craft clear sprint goals. Use the daily Scrum to adapt. Inspect real product in the review. Improve one habit in each retrospective. With these practices, teams deliver value steadily, learn faster, and build trust with stakeholders.